The ice-cold experiment. In the ice-cold experiment, we mix baking soda and water and citric acid and water. We then measured the temperature of both solutions and then mixed both together and observed what happened.
The first solution we made consists of baking soda and water. The chemical name for baking soda is sodium bicarbonate, and the chemical formula is NaHCO3.
In the other solution, we added citric acid to water. The chemical formula for citric acid is C6H8O7. So the reactants for this experiment is NaHCO3 plus C6H8O7.
The products that we ended up with were H2O, water, CO2, carbon dioxide, and Na3C6H5O7, sodium citrate.
We observed the temperatures decreasing from 63 degrees Fahrenheit to 59 degrees Fahrenheit. So there was a transfer of energy when we added both of the solutions together. The new solution is trying to find equilibrium, so it steals heat from other things, making it feel cold. We also saw that a gas was produced because we saw bubbles. Okay, this is an endothermic reaction because energy was absorbed from the environment, making the temperature decrease.
In the elephant toothpaste experiment, we combined hydrogen peroxide and dish soap. We also combined water and yeast. We then combined both of the solutions.
The reactants for this experiment were hydrogen peroxide, aka 2H2O2. The products were 2H2O plus O2, which is dihydrogen monoxide and oxygen. We observed that when we combined the two solutions, it expanded and made a foam, which is just a lot of tiny little bubbles.
We also observed an increase in temperature from 27 degrees Celsius to 38 degrees Celsius, which would be an endothermic reaction. An endothermic reaction is when energy is released by the bonded molecule into the environment. This produces heat because it's releasing energy, so it feels warm.
We can tell this was a chemical reaction because there were bubbles, which means gas was released. There was also a transfer of energy, which is also a sign of a chemical reaction.